Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So I've just got back from my yearly holiday in the north of Yorkshire. We stay in a little quiet village next to the North Yorkshire moors, and I've literally just got home, and well, I got home late yesterday evening, and I've got quite a lot of mail that neighbours have taken in and that has built up. So I'm just going to pop them all on so we can see how many we've got. We've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, run out of space, and 7. There we go, 7. So we've got 7 pieces of mail. I don't want this video to be really long, so I'm actually going to break it up to maybe 3 or 4 shorter videos. So we're going to just work through these. I don't know what the title of today's video will be until I see what's inside each box, because I'm not exactly sure what's inside every box. Quite a few of these have been sent to my PO box, so there might be some mail calls amongst these as well. So yeah, we're just going to go into them one by one and make them into some shorter videos instead of doing a longer form video today. Just makes it a little bit easier for me to edit and get a video up. And also it makes it easier for me to title the video as well, because quite often when I do my longer videos and they go on for sort of half an hour and I'm going through lots of different things, there's so many different things unboxed, it's very hard to title the video so that it appeals to the right person, because I might be unboxing bullion, I might be unboxing some gold, I might be unboxing some more antique silver that I've been picking up recently. And if it's all mixed in the same video, I can't really title the video to show what's in that particular video. So let's get straight into it. We're going to start with this one, and I'm pretty sure I know what's in here just because of the size of it and the shape of it. But I'm going to carefully cut into this one, and this is an unboxing that Tech, the salmon hunter, is what we call him now on Discord, is going to really enjoy. It wasn't something I was planning to pick up, but because I had a little look at similar things on eBay, it popped up, and I thought, you know what, this actually could be something that's worth picking up and holding for a few years and just seeing what it does, how it performs over time. I probably could flip this straight away and make a small profit, because these dudes seem to be going up in value rather quickly on the second-hand market. But for me, it's going to be more of a long-term hold. It's going to be something that I showcase in today's video and then I put into deep storage. And like I said, just see how it performs over a longer period of time. Really nicely wrapped. I'm pretty sure that Tech has actually got one of these for sale on Stacker Social. For those that are interested, I actually realised that after I'd already purchased this one, and he's selling it for a very similar price as well. So you can see, for those of you that know, this is from the Royal Mint. Really nicely packaged in the original box that it comes in. You've even got all of the original tissue paper in here as well. So extremely nicely packaged. And this is actually a Definitives 2023 proof coin set. Now I believe I paid, I think it was £155 including postage in total for this. I'm not sure exactly what these were sold for originally on the Royal Mint, so do let me know in the comment section if you picked up one of these or you know how much they were originally selling for. But already the person that sold me this on eBay has already made a tidy little profit. And like I said, if I was to flip this now, I probably could make maybe £20–30. But my plan is to hold on to this for a longer period of time and just see how well it does. Really nice presentation from the Royal Mint. They always go above and beyond with their packaging. And here we go. Right, let's have a look at the COA first, and then we'll have a look at the coins. King Charles III Definitives 2023 UK based proof coin set, and this is number 945, so a fairly low number out of a possible, where are we, limited edition presentation. We've got 12,023, so that's a very low number actually, 945 out of 12,000. And on the back there you can see all of the different coins that are included in this collection. And the reason I picked up this, I don't often pick up the proof sets like this, but the reason I picked this up was a bit of a FOMO, really, a FOMO pickup. But it's because the mintage figures have now been announced on the 50p, on the Salmon 50p, and it is actually a lower mintage than the Kew Gardens. The Kew Gardens was the previously lowest circulated 50p with 210,000 in circulation, and the 50p, the Salmon 50p, has just been announced. I've got one here to show you. This is a circulated one. It's just been announced that these are 200,000, so 10,000 less than the Kew Gardens. So this is now currently the most rare circulated 50p. Now the one that's in the proof set is slightly different. If you look at the side here with the king on, you can see there is no privy mark here, whereas the proof one has a privy mark. Let me just get this paperwork out of the way so it doesn't fall everywhere. And then we can hold this up. Actually, let's see if I can get this out. I'm not sure. Yeah, there we go. It literally just comes straight out. These ones here all have a privy mark. They have a small crown on them there. So that is the difference between the proof ones and the uncirculated ones. They have that privy mark. So the mintage figures haven't yet been announced for the proof version. So it will be interesting to see how well these coins perform over time. But really, really stunning set. And you can see this side here. These are coins that you should, if you live in the UK, start seeing in circulation in your change. And the one that you want to be looking out for is the 50p, because that is the rarest out of the bunch. And you want to be looking for a 2023. So on here you see it's a 2023. You want to be looking out for those ones. 2024s are knocking around also, but the mintage figure has not yet been announced for those. So 2023 is the one for now to be keeping a lookout for in your change. And they do sell upwards of £100 on eBay. So yeah, really nice looking proof set. Not normally something I would pick up. I'm a precious metal investor, stacker, collector. Not really too much into coins, but every now and then I do pick up ones that I do think could perform well over a long period of time. So there we go. That is the proof set. Probably paid double to get this from what the original person picked it up for. But like I said, this will be going away in a safe, in deep storage, and I'll revisit it in maybe 10 years time, and we'll see if it's gone up in value, down in value, or stayed the same. So I'm going to wrap the video up there. Like I said, I want to keep it short and sweet today. As always, thanks very much for watching. Thank you very much for all the support. Let me know in the comment section if you've picked one of these up, if you're going to pick one of these up, and if you think I got a good deal on this. And like I said, thanks very much for all the support, and I hope you have a very nice day.